G'day guys, Greg here. Now, in my hot little hands, I've got a meat pie from a place called Boulevard Bakery at Morningside. Now, the Boulevard Bakery's got a 4.0 Google star rating, so how about we suss this out and I'll give it the old Grego star rating. Now, this costs $5.50 and it's a plain mince pie, so let's check it out, see what it's like. Oh, whoa! Have a look at that. This meat pie is a rectangle. Well, I don't think I've had the rectangle meat pie before. Well, not from a pie shop at least, but it does look really nice. Look at that beautiful golden crust on there. Wow. Now, this is the plain mince, so let's suss it out and see what the guts is like in this. Oh, wow. Dude. Looks like black gold. Texas tea. Oh yeah, man. That looks so rich. I would say that's a very rich looking gravy. Oh man. And the plain mince. Oh boy. It looks, fairly meaty. There's chunks in there. And just look at the residue that it left on my fork here. Oh yeah. Well, I've definitely never had or seen a mince just so rich as that before. Wow. Well, I'm really looking forward to see what this tastes like. Ooh. Mate, it just coats the inside of your mouth. It's got like that gelatin consistency about it, but it's got a really nice, rich beef flavour about it. The gravy's nice and rich. It's fairly salty, but not like overly salty. It's actually really nice, and I'm really enjoying it so far. But how about we try this pastry, see what that's like. It's looking nice and fluffy. Yep. It tastes like it's got some seasoning about it, which is nice. Slightly buttery and quite nice. Okay, let's dive on in. Oh, that first bite, I got a really nice mouthful of pastry. So I better go again. Oh, mate. Oh. Oh, boy, that is rich. Just take a look at that. Just look how rich that gravy looks. Oh, mate. Now, it is the mince pie, but I am getting a few chunks of mince in there. Not too many, but there's enough to know that it is made of beef. And boy, does that look amazing. I wish my beard was that colour. Well, it definitely could be if I smear it all over my face, which I think I might do. Wow. Now, this pie, when you take big mouthfuls like that, you know how wine has like tannins? Well, I think meat pies can have their own sort of tannin. It's that salty sort of umami taste that sometimes can get a little bit too much. But obviously, to avoid that is by taking smaller bites. But this is really just, I just can't get over the inside of it. It just looks like nothing I've ever seen before. Almost like it should be sweet or something, but I tell you what, this pie is pretty good. So remember, it had a 4 Google star rating. Wonder what rating the old Grego will give it. Well, $5.50, that's right up there, but with inflation nowadays, I'm not surprised it's not $8. Flavour-wise, well, the pastry's got a nice buttery taste about it. It's not too heavy and not too thick in places. I think it's just right. That gravy inside, boy, I've never seen anything like it. Rich and thick, classic meat pie taste, but there's still a little bit lacking in it. It's sort of missing a depth there that the old classic meat pie would normally have. It's a very tasty pie though. So for that reason, I'm giving it 4.4 Grego stars. I reckon it's a really tasty pie, and, well, the rectangular shape didn't turn me off at all. It kind of makes it a little bit handier to handle and bite into, actually, and, well, I'm really enjoying it, and I reckon if you went there and tried one, you'd probably enjoy it too. Hope this helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a meat pie. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger